So these are the knives that I currently have in rotation. EDC budget knives. First one at the top is the Buck 110 Hunter. One of my favorite knives. Buck 110 Hunter. And that's high carbon stainless steel blade. And the second one is the Buck 112 Ranger. Third is the Buck Lanford, and that's blade steel on that is 7CR17 MOV. Then we have the Buck Pursuit, and that is 440C stainless. Then we have SOG or SLG Flash 2, and that is I believe 8CR13 MOV. I have to look it up to make sure. And then the Flare by SOG, and that is I have to look that up, but I think it's around about the 7CR17 MOV, somewhere is about there. And I have a little SOG multi-tool. It's useful. If you notice that I don't have any belt clips on some of them, because I never really liked belt clips, but some knives are coming out with pretty decent ones. So some I do keep on, but most of them, if they don't really have a good belt clip, I just take them off and add it to my tin of belt clips. That's one box of my EDC in rotation.